Bhagavad Gita Chapter 5 Karma Sannyasa Yoga. Key Teachings. 1. Comparison of renunciation and karma. Yoga. Lord Krishna tells Arjuna that both renunciation, giving up all actions, and karma yoga, performing actions without attachment to results, lead to liberation. However, karma yoga is superior because it allows one to remain connected with God while living in the world. 2. Who is a true renunciant? A true renunciant is not merely one who gives up actions, but one who abandons desires and attachments, performing selfless actions with devotion. 3. Difference between the wise and the ignorant. A wise person sees everyone with equal vision, whether a Brahmin, a cow, an elephant, a dog, or an outcast, understanding that the soul is the same in all beings, only the bodies are different. 4. Beyond pleasure and pain. One who is free from attachment and aversion and remains established in the self attains supreme bliss, Paramananda. External joys and sorrows do not affect such a person. 5. Surrender to God. Krishna says that one who controls the senses, renounces desires, and dedicates all actions to God attains liberation. 6. Do not worry about the results. A karma yogi dedicates all actions to God and does not worry about their results, knowing that the divine is the ultimate doer and controller of everything. 7. The path to peace. One who is free from ego, desires, and attachment and performs selfless actions attains true peace and bliss. Conclusion. Lord Krishna emphasizes that karma yoga is superior to renunciation. By giving up attachment to results and dedicating all actions to God, one attains happiness, peace, and ultimately liberation, moksha.